Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about conversion from Moore Machine into Mealy Machine. First, we have to know the difference between Moore and Mealy Machine. So, these two are the finite automata with output. The difference is the output in the Moore Machine depends only on the present state. But coming to Mealy Machine, the output depends both on the present state and the input symbol. Now, consider one example. This is the transition diagram and this is a Moore Machine. Now, your aim is convert this Moore Machine into Mealy Machine. For simple understanding, first I will convert the transition diagram into some transition table. What the table consists of? The table consists of present state and then next state. So, how many inputs I have? In my example, I have two inputs, A comma B and then output. See this one? This is the transition table for the Moore Machine. What are the states? A, B, C, D. In my example, I have four states. What is the output? For state A, the output is 0. State B, the output is 1. State C, 0. State D, 0. These are the outputs. Now, observe, the output depends only on the state. The output depends only on the state. Whether the input is A or input is B, not a problem. Now, on state A, with input small a, I am moving into same A on B moves to this one. So, B, capital B, state. B on small a moves to capital C. B on small b moves to this state. Now, C on A moves to state B. C on B moves to state D. Finally, D with the input A moves to the same state. D with input B moves to state A. This is the transition table for the given Moore Machine. Now your aim is convert this into Mealy Machine. Now what is the table? Mealy Machine consists of present state. Now next state. Here remember one thing. Mealy Machine, the output corresponds to state and the input symbol. So A output, B output. Clear the point? See this one. How many states? A, B, C, D. Here, first I will complete the diagram. That is a table. See this one. A on A. Only the difference is in terms of outputs. A, C, B, D. These transitions are not changed. Only the outputs are modified. B, D, D, A. Okay. Now I will write down the outputs. Simply by observe the diagram, you can directly write the output or else you can use step-by-step procedure. First I will write down the output directly. Later I will move step-by-step procedure and then we will compare both the cases. Compare both the cases. Okay. Now see this one. Simple. Here A. What is the output for A? 0. Now here B. What is the output for B? 1. C. Output for C is 0. D. Output for D 0. Next to here B. Does not consider this one. So B. Output for B is 1. Output for D is 0. Output for D is 0. Output for A is 0. Completed. The answer is completed. Directly I will convert. But if you want, I can move step by step procedure. What is the step by step procedure? lambda dash of q comma a. Lambda dash means the output function in the Mealy machine. Assume lambda dash is the output of the Mealy machine on a state q with input a. So the output for state q with input a, how do we derive from the Moore machine? Lambda of delta of q comma a. This is the formula. If you want, check step by step. First, lambda dash of what is my state? Capital A with the input small a moves to lambda of delta of a comma a. See this one? Lambda delta means transition. Capital A on small a moves to capital A. Now lambda of a means the output for state A. What is the output for state A? 0. Here I already written 0, right? Clear? This is the way. Now check B. Now delta of a comma b, it moves to state B. What is the output of state B? 1. Now this one. Clear? In the similar fashion, capital B with input A, same procedure, capital B with input A. So B on small a moves to state C. The output for state C is 0. Now here 0. Now capital B on small b moves to small b. So B on B moves to state D. Lambda of D means the output of D is 0. Like this, you can apply for lambda dash of C comma A, C comma B. Suppose C comma A means simply C comma A. So C on A moves to B. What is the output for B? 1. So 1. Next, C comma B. State C with input B moves to state D. Output of D is 0. Like finally D on A, D on B. So D on A moves to state D. The output of D is 0. D on B moves to state A. The output of A is 0. Simple way. This is the way to convert the given Moore machine into Mealy machine. In the next session, we will discuss conversion from Mealy machine into Moore machine. Thank you.